can I just, while we're talking about that, just very quickly, we've talked about the fact that estate wills are part of estate planning. So just to give you a sense of what an estate planning package might consist of, you've got your will and you've got your binding death benefit nomination in as far as your super is concerned. You might then have an enduring power of attorney, and you might then have your enduring guardianship document. Many people have a living will. We call it a living will. There's a number of different phrases for it. But that document says, if I've become so mentally incapacitated that I'm in a vegetative state and they're just keeping me alive on a machine, I don't want that to happen. If I've gone and that's it, then turn the machine off. Don't leave it on, please. And there's a number of, as I say, different places have different descriptions for that document. It is not binding. It is only an indication of your wishes, but most hospitals will certainly abide by it. If you've got a testament, if you've got a family trust, you'll need a memorandum of wishes, which is a document that tells the trustee of the trust how you want the trust dealt with. So you can see, that there's quite a. This is more or less a basic estate plan. And these documents, the power of attorney, the guardianship, the living will, they're only $150 a throw in most places. The memorandum of wishes might be a little more depending on how that all fits in. The two biggies are the will and the binding death benefit nomination and how they fit together. But our society has become, so complex, and our structures, particularly commercial structures, if any of you are running your own businesses, etc., these documents are, vitally important. And of course, and that we haven't talked about the other prospect, which would be a buy-sell agreement. If you run a business, and we're getting off the topic a bit, but if you run a business in partnership with somebody else who's not a member of your family, you'd want a buy-sell agreement so that if you die, you want to be sure that they'll buy out your share, and so that your family can get the money out of the business, and that can be funded through life insurance, etc., to make sure there's enough money there. But you get a sense of the sort of package that